I have the dryer on full blast, barely any air coming out at all. Watch what happens when I remove this piece of lint. Boom. Well, the whole vent is clogged up really bad, so nothing much happened, but definitely make sure to have your dryer vent cleaned on the roof. There's also a door in here, and there's a huge piece of lint that's blocking that door, not letting it open so no air will come out. Make sure to have your dryer vent cleaned on the roof at least once a year. So as you can see, this one is super dirty on the screen, and then in here, completely filled with flammable lint. This is super dangerous, and this is why you're gonna wanna clean. So we're gonna vacuum all in there, clean that all out, and then this piece comes off with those screws, same bit.